9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! So we're looking for the first one to sink. We don't. Where's that? Oh yeah. No, they're not down yet. They're close.
Oh, look at the canoe! Wow!
I don't think anybody's qualified for sinking yet, have they, Aaron? Are you watching? No. My word. Don't forget to go into the left. The Incredibles are in the lead, but they've just been they're going to collide with Search and Rescue. Maybe they're going to change boats there, are they? Clam Chowder is catching up on the left. Don't forget, you've got to go over to the left, guys.
That's hilarious!
Oh! Yeah.